An estimated earning of over $20,000? Yes, more than $20,000 has been generated from just 11 long videos. Now take a close look at this. By uploading only 11 videos, this creator has gained over 119,000 subscribers. And now, look at the views on these videos. 3.8 million views, 800,000 views, 400,000 views, 300,000 views. And when you look at the total performance, this channel has generated 58 million views within just 1 month. Now, let's do a rough calculation. Usually, this type of content easily earns around $5 to $10 per 1,000 views. But let's stay extremely conservative. Even if we calculate with just $3.5 RPM, this creator has made around $20,000 from these 11 videos. And as you can see here, this channel is consistently generating strong monthly income as well. Now, let's understand what kind of content this creator is making. From the channel name itself, you can already get an idea. Before it's too late, meaning do this before it's too late. It's a very powerful and emotional concept. Let me read some titles for you to understand better. I'm 73 years old and it took me 50 years to learn this. My wife's last words changed everything and I wasted 40 years of my life. And many more like these. Now, what's happening in these videos? Elderly people are sharing their life lessons, things they learned very late in life. They talk about relationships, regrets, mistakes, emotional decisions. In simple words, old people are sharing their real-life experiences and warning others, don't make the same mistakes before it's too late. And Western audiences, they connect very deeply with this kind of content. They watch it, feel it, and stay engaged till the very end. Now, let me show you what these videos actually look like. At the beginning of the video, an old man is sitting and introduces himself. He tells his name, then starts telling his story on a specific topic. After that, different kinds of old memories and images are shown on screen. These images are animated according to the story. Now, honestly, watching this feels simple, but creating such emotional storytelling, maintaining engagement, that's extremely difficult. But don't worry, I have done all the hard work for you. Even this difficult task, I've simplified it for you. I've created complete, ready-to-use prompts for you. By using these prompts, you can create these videos directly from your mobile, absolutely free. Now here's what you need to do. Go to Google and search theradiotv.net. Open the first website, that's mine. When you land on the homepage, you'll immediately see the first post with an old man image. Click on that post. Now inside this post, at the very top, you'll see the images I used in this video. And below that, you'll find the master prompt for idea generation. This is a powerful prompt, and when you read the ideas it generates, you'll be shocked they're that good. Now click on Copy Prompt, go to Claude AI, paste the prompt into the box, and hit Enter. Now watch this. Claude will generate 20 powerful video ideas for you. For example, I'm 85 years old, and today I finally understood what my father used to tell me. Now, choose any idea you like. After that, go back to the website again. Below the idea prompt, you'll see the second master prompt for script generation. Copy that prompt. Go back to Claude, paste it into the prompt box. Now inside this prompt, you'll see two placeholders: video title, video length. First, paste your selected idea into the title section. Then set the video length to 8 to 10 minutes. Now press Enter. And here comes the magic. Your full script will start generating. At the beginning, the character introduces himself, tells his age, delivers a powerful hook, then the script continues in parts. If you use Claude, it generates the entire script at once. If you use ChatGPT, it may stop after the first part. You just need to type continue to generate the rest. Now, after generating the script, you need to create the voiceover. This depends on how you want your video to look. The creator we saw shows an old man at the beginning speaking, then continues with images. You can do the same, but that method may require paid tools or switching accounts, so I'll show you both methods. First method, go to Pixabay or Pexels. Click on Videos. Search Old Man Close-Up, Old Man Alone. You'll find many videos. Download any clip where an old man is sitting calmly. This will be used at the start. Now, copy your script. If you're using Avatar, take the first 2 or 3 lines separately. Go to Google AI Studio, Text to Speech. Click Single Speaker Audio. Paste the first few lines. Now here's the most important setting. In style instructions, write warm, calm old person, regret. Remove anything else. Now choose a deep elderly voice, for example, Eliza. Click Run. Now your voiceover will generate with realistic elderly tone and emotion. Download it. Now go back, copy the remaining script, and generate the full voiceover. Now go back to the website again. Copy the third master prompt, avatar prompt, paste it into Claude. It will generate 3 avatar prompts. Copy the first one, go to Whisk AI, paste the prompt, hit enter. Now your images will generate. You'll get a realistic old man sitting on a sofa. Amazing lighting, amazing quality. Try the other prompts too. Download the best image. Now here's the powerful trick. Turn on your VPN, go to dreamina.com, click on AI Agent, AI Avatar. Now upload your avatar image, upload the first short voiceover, then in action description write explanation gestures. Click Generate. Now your avatar will speak, move lips, move hands naturally, completely free. Now again go back to the website, copy the 4th master prompt, image prompt generator, paste it into Claude. Claude will say, I'm ready, give me your script. Now go up, copy your script, full or half, paste it, hit enter. Now it will generate detailed image prompts. Copy each prompt, paste into Whisk AI, generate high-quality images. Now import everything into your video editor. Start with your avatar clip, then add your images. To animate images, first image, add a keyframe at start. Increase size at end, zoom in. Second image, start zoomed, end normal, zoom out. Repeat this for all images. Now arrange all clips, sync with voiceover, add background music, download music from YouTube Audio Library, use the same music across all videos for consistency, export in highest resolution. This niche is still very fresh. Very few people are working on it, but the engagement level is extremely high. People connect emotionally and stay hooked till the end. If you start today, you can also reach millions of views and build a strong income stream. But remember one thing, consistency is the key. If you want big success, you must stay consistent. If you liked this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends.